Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change time on your Volvo XC60. First, locate your Sensus infotainment system, which is the large screen in the center of your dashboard. From the main screen, tap on the Settings icon. Once in the Settings menu, you will see several categories. Please select the System option to continue. This is your first step towards adjusting the clock. Now that you are in the System settings, look for the Date and Time option. Tap on this to access the clock adjustments. If your car is currently set to automatically update the time, you will need to disable this feature first. Look for an option like Automatic Time or Synchronize Time and switch it off. Then, select Set Time Manually to gain full control. With manual time setting enabled, you will see options to change the hour and minute. Typically, there are plus and minus buttons next to the hour display. Tap these buttons to increase or decrease the hour until it is correct. Then, move to the minute display and use its corresponding plus and minus buttons to set the exact minutes. Double-check that the time is now precisely what you want. Finally, ensure your time zone is correctly selected from the available list. This is crucial for accurate time display. Also, if applicable, remember to enable or disable the Daylight Saving Time option according to your region's current status. Once all your adjustments are made, confirm that the system saves these new settings. You have successfully changed the time on your Volvo XC60.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.